Hey, First Violins. This is one of two short tutorials on the special shifting sheet that I gave out with Drifen. So this first one is the first side starting at measure 94. And your first note is an octave E. So it's one octave above here. And you can find the harmonic by gently pressing. It's going to be halfway between here and here. So right around here-ish. If you gently press, and then you move your hand, so you can play that a regular pitch. Your first notes are 4-1 in that fourth position. And now stay and go over to the A string and grab fourth finger. And then 3-4. And then 1, 3 on the A string now this time. And that original E that we started with, you're going to put your second finger on in sixth position. And then reach up for fourth finger. It's not very far at all. It's going to, it looks like, just like I have room for my second finger, third finger, and fourth finger right next to it. And that's the G. 3, 2. And now shift to first finger, where third finger usually goes in third position. And stay in third position for this next phrase. And then you can shift. So let me see if I can play that non-stop for you, because that was a little broken. So high E. Good, there are my pitches. 1, 2, 3, 60, 1, 2, 94. And you can come out here. Okay, so that's one of two.